Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Mazda 3-door handle. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a basic screwdriver set and a plastic trim removal tool to protect your car's interior. Make sure you have the exact replacement door handle for your specific Mazda 3 model. This easy method will guide you through each step, ensuring a smooth and successful repair. Let's get started with preparing your workspace. Now let's remove the old handle. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door panel. Use your trim removal tool to avoid scratching the paint or damaging the plastic clips. Once the panel is loose, gently disconnect any electrical connectors, like those for window switches. Finally, locate and unscrew the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that hold the old door handle in place. Keep these bolts safe for reinstallation. With the old handle removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new door handle into its opening. Reinsert and tighten the 2 or 3 mounting bolts you set aside earlier, ensuring the handle is firmly secured. Next, reconnect all the electrical connectors to the door panel components. Before putting everything back together, give the new handle a quick test to make sure it moves freely and correctly. For our final steps, let's reassemble and test. Carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all the clips align and snap securely into place. Once the panel is firm, thoroughly test your new door handle. Open and close the door several times to confirm smooth operation. Also, check that the door locks and unlocks correctly. You've successfully replaced your Mazda 3-door handle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.